What's cracking like in everyone, MG here, and I got a quick one for you. So we got METIS here on deck. I think I did a video maybe a couple months ago, a while back, because you can see here I had my levels charted out here, and the lowest at the time was 73 bucks, and we can see that we've completely collapsed below those levels. So let's get after it. Before we do that, let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. Let's actually refresh that. Let's just see. So right now we're at 24. Now Extreme Fear. Yesterday Extreme Fear. Last week 11. Last month 13th. So last month 13. So we can see here that it seems that people are still scared as fuck, but not as scared. Because how scared can you be? So let's go. Let's swing back to METIS here. You know, shout out to the homies in my Discord community for putting me on this coin here. You know what I'm saying? L2 Wars is definitely going to be popping off here in 2023 and beyond. So stiff competition, boys. We can see here that all MA ribbons have gone completely bearish, and we've had multiple counts of manipulation here identified: the 26th of May, 2nd of June, Blood Diamond, 10th of June, and the 18th of June as well. And there was a huge dump there. And we can see here that we had a trend reversal, but then it turned out to be fake. However, we have yet another trend reversal as well, followed by bullish continuation. So that is actually looking quite good. Now let's see here. Let's put METIS on the spot here, so we can see here that we are trading below the 50-day, which is bullish. And we have this major swing high up here at 28.78. 28.78. Okay, just want to make sure. I don't have my glasses on, guys. And we have a swing low here at $17.60. So that is definitely the trading range right there. I'm just actually going to remove the 50-day. We can just keep that there. And let's take a look at the spread here. Let's see what is going to be 64%. Okay, so what, 30% ish and some change. And let's take a look. Let's draw our little happy trend lines here, right? So we can see that we definitely broke out, which was actually very nice. Not only did we break out of that resistance level, but we're also maintaining this range here, which is really good. Mind you, we are on the 1 day. So I definitely am more, I believe, longer time frames more. You guys know this. So let's actually see. Let's just put it on the spot here, and let's see if it can actually maintain that trend, right? So we do have a resistance coming up here at 22.53. It would be nice if we could break out of that and continue to move on up this trend here to $28.78. We will see if the soldiers out there can break through. Full disclosure, I am in METIS. I think I already said that a long time ago. But now, thankfully, I kind of forgot about it because I was focused on other things like taking profits. So I missed out on a lot of these buy levels that I mentioned earlier. But like, look at the discount, guys, especially from the lowest point that I last talked about. It dumped 69% since that lower level buy level that I marked out here months ago. I would probably assume it was as far back as April, perhaps. But anyway, guys, that's a huge discount, 69%. And it's looking pretty good. We will see. However, I do love discounts, especially with good projects. So let's take a look at the 1 hour here. Let's go into the degenerate hours, especially if you are interested in this coin, not financial advice, and you want to ape the fuck in. In fact, actually, let me swing back to the 1 day because I forgot to take a look at the money flow. Sorry about that, guys. So we can see here that this bullish divergence actually popped off. We have money flow is actually moving up. It's on an uptrend. VWAP is above the 0 line. However, it's trying to peter down. And we have this momentum wave that's moving up. Stochastics are meeting it as high up as the 52 line. Perhaps that this rally is starting to run out of steam here. However, who knows? METIS might do one of these, right? Just continuously doing something like that, because this money flow crossover into the green on the 1 day is always really good. Money flow might end up doing something like this, go alongside it, maybe down into the red a little bit, but then continue red. That's what I'm guessing right now, because let's keep it real, guys. Yes, nothing has changed geopolitically. However, we are always due for a relief rally. Like, relief rallies are always welcomed, and they just have to happen, just because, like, nothing just dumps forever, unless if it's Terra Luna, shout out to the Luna soldiers out there who are recovering. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm always making jokes, but, it's not good losing money. But yeah, like, we just needed it. We just needed that relief rally, and I'm glad that it's here, because it's giving people opportunity to take money off the table. Not financial advice. Stable up, not financial advice. Especially if you've been over your head and you've exceeded your budget and you're putting in more than you can afford to lose. Great opportunities to take money off the table. Not financial advice. So let's take a look at money flow here. So we can see here that money flow is actually quite good. We had these bullish divergences pop off. However, this Eye of Sauron at the 94 line is just way too strong. Stop this, and stop this. And it's looking like it's going to continue to stop. It's probably going to stop this bullish divergence that's forming right now. More than likely, we will see. Money flow is looking like it's moving down. Stochastics are moving down as well. VWAP is under the 0 line. So let's take a look at the chart here. EMA ribbons are bullish. However, we have this sell signal here. Bearish continuation, and we've closed red for the last 5 hours. And EMA ribbons are constricting here, so that is generally not good. However, it just depends on how you're looking at it, of course, because I want to get more METIS token, right? So... And let's take a look at market open. Let's see what was going on here. So we were actually trading bearish pretty much practically the entire day up until 10 a.m. That's when we started to pop off. And we started to dump at around 3 o'clock, 1500 hours, depending where you are. And right now, guys, right now, the VWAP resistance is $22. And 52 cents. And judging by the technicals, and judging by money flow, it's looking like perhaps we may dump below VWAP. Now, as far as where it will go, how far it will go, I will probably say I will use this structural support level at 22.18. I mean, it's this is a small scalp, but you're in the 1 hour. When you're in the 1 hour, this is what you do. There's also another support level here that METIS could go down to if VWAP support is rejected. That is 21.93, and if that were to go any lower here, we have 21.65 as well. So it's a pretty tight spread here. We're just going to be putting METIS on the spot yet again. So we'll see if it could maintain that trend line. And then, of course, there is a resistance that METIS token will meet probably around 22.92, So we will see. We will see if it could maintain this channel here. I know we're starting to look like the fucking railroad, the United States railroad system here, but you know how we do it with the magical TA. Just a bunch of lines, hopium lines, and guesses, educated guesses. We do have indicators telling us where price action may go, but this is all guessing in the end, right? So overall, good scalp opportunities for METIS token. It's looking good on the 1 hour and as well as the 1 day. So let's just move into the 30-minute. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, it's looking like there is already a money flow crossover into the red, so I'm expecting, it's not very deep though, it's not very deep, so I'm expecting some orders to be filled. Not financial advice. And METIS is on KuCoin, by the way, so I know a lot of people are scared. However, the way I see it is, if you are actively trading, there's literally no reason why to not keep your stables in the exchange. If you are actively trading, like, you know, like what I'm doing, like I have quite a bit of Tether and KuCoin and Binance and Bybit. Well, Bybit is mostly Bitcoin, but you know, if you're trading it, it's all good because you can outflow in and out when you need. Of course, you never know when they'll lock it, but you know, your trading portfolio is significant. So it should be significantly less than your long-term bags. I pretty much have no long-term bags anymore in any long-term hold coins in any exchange now. I literally only have USDC and Tether and any other automated buys that I have going on Coinbase, which I immediately outflow, you know, because you never know. Truthfully, I think that KuCoin will be fine because it's such a beloved exchange. A lot of people call it like a tier 2, tier 3 exchange. I disagree. I think it's tier 1. I think it's up there with Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, right? FTX, I think it's up there. It's just the differences between those exchanges and KuCoin is they're completely remote. They have no physical address, which makes them fucking based as fuck, and it's why I love them. And they have they have so many good competitive coins compared to Binance. Like if it's not on Binance, more than likely it's gonna be on KuCoin. So I really hope KuCoin will be fine. I truly believe it will be, but you never know, guys. You never know. So yeah, enough of that. I'm gonna get off my soapbox here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one.